guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Rish, and in today's video we're going to be going over the pop-off method. So what I typically like to do as far as the pop-off method when doing, practicing on your natural hands on, with acrylics and stuff, I do practice sets, like not even just practice sets, it's just like sets in general. I do them any chance that I get when I don't have clients. So what I typically like to do is you take oil and your a gel top coat and place it over your hands before you apply the tips and the acrylic. Sorry y'all, I've been trying to get my oil top open. Okay, so sometimes you gotta bite this thing. Oh my god. Okay, so yes, please do not mind my natural nails. These are my natural nails right now. Before, I was just literally either popping my nails off or soaking them off, and I got tired of doing that. So I recently saw something on TikTok where you just use oil and top coat, and it'll just easily pop off afterwards. I've done it plenty of times already this far, and I will say the way that I do it, it really just pops off easily, but it still gives you amount of time to file and buff without your nails having to pop off immediately. So I'm just going to take some just regular cuticle oil. So you don't rough up the nails. You don't need to rough up the nails. Please excuse my nails, by the way. They're just horrible. I am sort of a nail biter, but it is what it is. So we're just gonna apply some oil to the nail. What I like to do is apply a generous amount, to the natural nails. I like to also go around like you're doing, going around the cuticle area, and you'll see why in a minute. So this is what I like to do on all of the nails. Now that I have the cuticle oil all on the nails, this is when you apply your top coat. I'm just using a Praise non-wipe top coat. If I can get it open. Okay. So with this, now this is where you apply the oil around the cuticle area, because when you go and apply, this is a gel top coat, by the way. So when you go and apply your gel top coat and you put it under the light, of course it's going to cure the gel, right? But with the oils on the side, it also gives it a little bit of a lift already, but not too much of a lift. You're going to see in a minute what I'm talking about. So again, just apply any gel top coat, it doesn't matter what brand it is, to the natural nail plate. Now I would say use a gel top coat that you won't be using on your clients. I would say use a gel top coat that you would just use only for this, because the gel is touching oil. You will have to wipe it off and put back into the gel polish. But I mean, if you're not going to be using this gel top coat on anything else other than your practice nails, then I would just just keep it that way. Just use it for now. So what I tend to do is I would do 2 coats of gel top coat, clear top coat, of course, because you'll see why after I cure it the first time, because sometimes due to the oil and the gel mixing together, you will have you know, spots that are blotchy if you're not careful. Okay, so we're going to cure this for a full 60 minutes. I mean, I said 60 minutes, 60 seconds. Okay, so this is how the nails are looking after the first cure. Okay, so you have a little bit here that just fell over to the side. We're gonna take that off. Okay, we're gonna pop that off, but still do not do anything to the cuticle area. Remember where the oil is around the cuticle area. Do not do anything to that yet. We're gonna apply another second coat of gel top coat. Make sure you get your entire nail without touching the sidewalls. Okay, guys, that's another thing. And we're going to cure again for another 60 seconds. Okay, now that we got our 2 coats of gel top coat, now what you want to do for the oil that's around the cuticle area is just smear it into the skin, or you know, just massage it into the skin, right? We don't want to wipe it away. Just massage it into the skin as you would on the client, without touching the your natural nails, because we're going to apply our tips on now after this. So just like push away, or however you want to do it, just without touching the natural nails. All right, so this is how they're looking. Again, don't mind my nails. Okay, so what we're gonna do is apply our tips. I would say, now, some tips will adhere, some tips will have a much harder time adhering. So I got these extra long C-curve tips. I freaking love them. They are amazing. I love them so much. I use them all the time, especially on myself and my clients. I just bought some more. I bought a boatload of tips, and I was just like, you know what, let me rack up on them right now. So I'm going to do a haul when I receive my package, because I bought some decals as well. So I have my KDS glue that I'm going to be using. The only reason why I like these tips, especially doing the pop-off method, is because they adhere well, especially after applying the gel top coat. They adhere really well. Like I said, some tips will take a much, it will take a greater amount of time to adhere them to the natural nail, but sometimes they'll be a little flimsy and they won't stick, and you have to keep reapplying and applying. It's just really hard. So I just tend to stick with what gives me the best results. So as you can see, it works like a charm. It literally feels like as if I put this nail on my natural nail plate. And so we're just gonna continue on applying the rest of the tips. guys, this is what we're looking like. Like I said, I love these nail tips. Like, they are freaking amazing. I love them. I love long nails in general. So we're gonna do a I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know. We're just gonna go with it. I'm just gonna freestyle, and I'm gonna come back and show you the end results, and yeah, and let's see how easy they pop off. Hey guys, so I decided I'm gonna do like a first day of spring set. It is officially Aries season. I am an Aries myself. So this is gonna be super fun. I'm just gonna do a flower set. We're gonna just bang this out, and I'm gonna come back and show you how easy they pop off. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is the set I ended up doing. It is the I guess you could say just a full flower bomb, a flower bomb set. I actually love it. I'm so mad I actually didn't do this set on myself like permanently instead of the pop off method. Not permanently, but you know what I mean. But like, this came out so super cute, super bomb, and I am so in love with it. It's so cute and girly. First day of spring vibes for sure. And actually my middle finger actually kept popping off, so I had to glue it down twice. Just a little bit of glue, guys. You don't need to literally dump the glue in your nail just to, if it pops off prematurely. Just a dab of glue, tap it with like a paper towel, smear it out just a tad, and then put the nail on it and it will stay. But other than that, I freaking love it. It came out so bomb. So now I'm gonna show you how to pop it off. Like, I took a bunch of pictures and videos, so I'm good to take this set off. So let's get started. As you can see here, it's already starting to lift from the cuticle area. This one, we already talked about that. This one, you can see it's still on, but as you can see, if I start twisting the sides, you can see it starts to lift, as well as the thumb. So just, you know, gently twist the sides. I've seen some people start to pull from underneath, boom. And we're gonna do the, you know, repeat on the other nails gently, guys. You don't wanna, you know, lift them too hard. Boom, there you go. This is the one that I had to glue on with a little bit of glue, so that just popped off. And as you can see there, that's when I had to glue it down a few times. It kind of sort of messed up the nail plate just a tad, you know, nothing serious. And here's the pointer. We're going to just twist the sides, pull down a little bit, boom, there you go. And here is the thumb lastly, and that just came right off, guys. So this is the pop off method. I hope you guys like this video. I have more videos in store for you guys very soon, so no worries. Actually, just a little quick tip. I did apply cuticle oil around the cuticle area. You know, of course, when you want to take pictures after you've done filing, all that other stuff. So that's what I did. I did not put any more on top of that after that fact, but you can, before you pop them off, just add a little bit of cuticle oil around the cuticle area so that it can pop off, you know, fairly easy. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.